Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Danny for Cupncakes Gourmet, and if it's your first time here on my channel, welcome. And today we're gonna make those really easy DIY paper flowers with no cutting machines. So it's super easy. Before we start, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell button because you want to find me again, and I want you to find me again. All my social media is up there, and my list of videos have all my videos in Portuguese and English, tutorials, paper, clay, all that goodies. So go and check it out, give it a look, and find something you like. Today I want to dedicate this video to Jessica Chandler, and left me a cute message. And we're gonna start making lots cute hearts. You're just gonna need a paper puncher, and we're gonna make tons of those little petals. So the heart's gonna be a petal, and then you're gonna get one heart, put a little glue on the edge, and glue in a circle motion like I'm doing it. Just remember, as I just said a second ago, like the one petal, one heart. You can make your flower as thick and as full as you want, or really simple, just like that. And put a little detail on the middle. You can put another heart. I'm gonna use this little glitter. It's a sticky glitter from the dollar store. So $1 is gonna give you tons of little flowers. You can pre-make those flowers, leave them made. You can make for unicorn party. You can make for so many things, and it's super easy and looks so cute. You can make all the colors like you see here, and you just put it in a box and keep it there, and it's already done for you to use it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a little like if you like this easy and fast, super cute flower video. Check out my show more tab because I have all my links, materials, and informations on there. And please leave me a comment so I can dedicate a video for you. I know my video was fast today, but I wanted just to say hi and to show this really easy way to make flowers. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!